Kites offer enjoyable entertainment for all ages, and if yours doesn't come with attached string, you'll need to prepare it yourself. Start by creating holes in the kite fabric at the intersection of the vertical and horizontal kite sticks, 2 on the back and 2 more 18 centimeters below. Use a 2-meter piece of strong kite string, thread it through the top holes and create double knots to secure it. Then, thread the string through the bottom holes, leaving a loop before knotting it again. Next, measure 18 centimeters from these holes to form a smaller loop for balance, trimming excess string. Finally, attach a longer string for flying, securing it with a double knot, and consider wrapping it around a piece of wood or tubing at the end for better control. Enjoy flying your kite.